Data is a new power, and companies worldwide are trying to leverage this power in their businesses. The kinds of businesses used in artificial intelligence are medical. AI provides a variety of services to aid humans with an increase in biomedical data. It can diagnose issues, drug invention, and virtual healthcare. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity companies are using AI tools in the detection of virus and malware attacks. Artificial intelligence systems are trained to recognize even the smallest behavior of malware attacks. Machine learning can help to prevent cyber attacks. Recommending products. Companies use recommendation systems to recommend products to their users. For example, Netflix and different Amazon products. Recommendation systems are implemented using a strategy known as the matrix factorization method. Financial analytics. Companies use AI's power to automate the business process by collecting observations through data analysis and virtual support to engage with clients and teammates. Banking sector. In banking sectors, artificial intelligence is used extensively to detect fraudulent transactions, automate the banking processes such as virtual support for account info, and offer customization based on its expenditures. Facial recognition. AI uses a facial feature that matches with faces stored from databases. If the face matches with the database, then it is right, otherwise, wrong. How is it doing that exactly? Machine learning trends of 2021. 1. Healthcare. 50% of the USA population suffers from a chronic disease, and 80% of medical care fees are spent on treatments. These are the significant healthcare sectors in which AI is used exclusively. Examples: cancer detection. Pathologists use artificial intelligence for an accurate diagnosis. This goal can be obtained by acquiring the data for different types of cancers like histopathologic, breast cancer, cervical cancers, and further, using this data for making a predictive model. New medicines with AI. Biopharmaceutical companies are facing many challenges to control the high attrition rates in drug developments. The biopharmaceutical industry is collaborating with artificial intelligence technology to control such provocations. Streamlining medical. The number of patients is increasing worldwide. To process all the information about each patient, we need automated methods and systems. AI is helping healthcare facilities better management of patients' data. 2. Financial. The total transactional values in the digital payment segment will be millions of dollars in 2020 to 2024. All transactions will be stored and processed effectively. We use this transactional data to improve our financial industry with AI in 2020-2021. Examples: trade. Machine learning algorithms are used to conduct trades automatically using attributes like price, volume, time, and tweet sentiment or weather data to make a machine learning trends of 2021 system that beats the market. The algorithm learns and adapts to real-time changes for making more accurate predictions. Fraud detecting. Digital payments are too risky. In 2018, $1 billion were lost due to fraudulent transactions worldwide. Machine learning trends of 2021 is suited to fight deceitful financial factors effectively. The model uses in training each data while labeling every transaction if it was a fraud or not. Then we can use metrics like precision and recall to make a model suit our risk profile, adjusting to our costs of false positive and false gloomy predictions. Banks. Banks are using machine learning for customer services, investment modeling, risk prediction, risk prevention and investing. InvestNet is a data aggregator, and analyzing company helps in banking sectors exclusively. 3. GAN, General Adversarial Networks. GANs can generate image datasets, human faces, cartoon characters, translate text to image, and translate image to text, 3D object generation. There are unlimited use cases in GANs, but not all of them are good for society. The recent groundbreaking breakthrough in the GAN applications is imagination. Progressive growth of GANs for improved quality, stability, and variation. It is demonstrated in designing real images for an artificial human face with existing personalities. Anyone's reputation can be ruined in a matter of seconds with techniques available in publicly accessible repositories. 4. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is a machine learning area concerned with how software agents ought to take actions in an environment to maximize the reward. Reinforcement learning is one of 3 essential learnings. Machine learning paradigms. Alongside supervised learning. Unsupervised learning. Reinforcement learning is very appealing because it feels like the learning we observe every day. The AI agents never receive explicit instructions about how to play. Instead, they learn on their own. After millions of simulations, AI agents learn to manipulate their environment. OpenAI technique can be extrapolated to other AI scenarios by using the potential of multi-agent competitive environments as an influencer for learning without using any supervisor. 5. VR, augmented reality, virtual reality. Augmented reality covers the gap between virtual and physical reality. The visual data for AR applications collect and can be used in image sensing. Augmented reality and AI are different but complementary technologies. They both can leverage each other to build something magnificent. Examples. Image labeling. AI models are built using a camera's frames, which can help classify the location by labeling them where each frame is considered an individual image. It is about image labeling. Object detecting. Camera frames are passed to an AI model that can estimate object position and size within a frame. Location information can further used to form a box around that object. For example, any vision can help identify a person or an object, even in large crowds. Pose estimation. It is defined as the localization of human joints in images or videos. There are 2 types of pose estimations. 2-dimension pose estimation calculates the coordinates in x, y for each joint from an RGB image. 3-dimension pose estimation calculates the coordinates in x, y, z for each joint from an RGB image. Pose estimation is heavily used in action recognition, animation, gaming. It is used to deepen your knowledge of human pose estimation. Final thoughts. These 5 significant sectors are used in AI exclusively. It is a technique that is used anywhere and where the data is being gathered in huge data describes stocks, astronomy, or human DNA. Machine learning is applied everywhere. The idea that a machine thinks and performs tasks equal to humans does not take much time. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.